Hello guys, welcome over this. So this is Tower of God, I guess. Tower of God. So let me play that. Okay, so I've restarted the game, guys. I'm going to restart, right? Let's restart. This my torso. I think is probably I have this shape like a gold man, I guess, or just maybe I just change it with my avatar. I think I just changed my avatar. So I'm going to speed on this. I think. We're going to speed on this, okay? So I will change it as square. Square, I don't know. Square body, I think. Or square body, you look like a Roblox character, I think. So this is brand new, okay? Oh my god. I look like the fat baldy, I think. So anyways, okay. I think I like this. I think I like this. Who's player that? Okay. I think I like this game. Let's see my player does. Come on. See me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No, no, no. Come on, see me. Come on. You can now see me now. Because I have brand new, a square, I think. Brand new square body, I think. So, anyways, let me know in comments if I'm not dying. So, anyways, okay. Think I like this. Okay. Start. Wait, start. Can I cheat? Can I cheat? Oh, wait. No, 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 I keep falling. Wait, I should just keep jumping. Watch the play. How about we just jump? Okay, be careful. Be careful, guys. You need to be careful. You need to be careful before. Okay, where's player? She's in upstairs. So I'm going to go down. Come on, be careful. Be careful! Just don't fall. Just don't fall. Just don't fall. Just don't fall. I said a big trouble. Come on, wait for me. Are you trying me? Are you, bro? How? I am so a pro. Okay, let me become a pro, guys. Okay. Why does she so pro that I can't even beat it? I can't even beat her something else, guys. Oh my god, I have 8 legs, guys. Up, 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 up. I'm going to beat. I'm going to just cheat or just beat. What? This time I'm not falling, guys. This time I'm falling. Come on, I need to beat her so much. She can just I need to beat it or something. Bro, I can't even do it. Probably. Oh wait. Oh, I'm at the top. Up, up. How? It's impossible. No, I'm going to go for this one. This on this side is probably make me blind. Make myself blind, I think. Why? Why? Why they get hurt? I guess. Okay. I think I made it fast away, I guess. Ouch. Oh no 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 no. Oh no. No it's okay, be careful guys, be careful. This no. This like girl led. Sorry me. Hey. Oh wait. Oh wait, this one. What are you doing? Why does she do that? Wait, why does she do that this time? Ah, you're charming. I just mean you girl led. Girl. Just trying my best to say. Oh wait. We're going to climb the ladder. How? No! What to sing now? I keep falling out on no reason. Oops. Wait, where are we? Where are we? Oh wait, this. Oh wait, this the girl. Ah! Okay. Just be careful. Just be careful because I don't wanna fall. I don't wanna fall because I really wanted to win the Kit Kat Tower. The cat tower I think is, but she needs to beat it. So just win her. Just win her. Your turn, I guess. Hey you, girl, what are you doing? Just me and you. Girl, please, just me and you. Oops, 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 oops. Oh wait, how could wait, do that? Just do that. Oh wow. Oh wait, do that. Oh my god, this obstacle is so hard. This obstacle is so hard because it will make me dizzy and just make me fall. Oh my goodness, what the heck? I made me win. This can I walk? I got. Oh, I can't now. Wait, can I? Oh no, it's so hard. No, this one's difficult. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh god. I think I wanted to beat it. Wait, can I do that? Up. How can I do that? Can I wall up or just maybe confused? Oh no. You know what? Goodbye, guys.